VWAP or VWAP, you'll hear a lot of people, it can be any way you want, tomato, right? It's the volume weighted average price. What that means is that's what the market thinks at that time of what the stock should be worth. And that's based on, right, the volume and where it's at, the average price with volume. So that's why VWAP is more important than any other indicator on the planet for trading. So people get to hang their hat on it and use it because of that reason. Otherwise, if that VWAP wasn't there, where would we think the Amazon price should be at today, right? We wouldn't have an indicator to go, hey, Amazon should be about this price because that's, the weight of the volume that's been in it, right?
Right.
Remember, the only thing that gives a stock value, right, is the supply and demand, meaning there has to be people to buy it. If there's more people buying than selling, the price goes up. That means VWAP will go up. There's more volume, right, which increases your average price. If there's more sellers, that means Amazon is not as valuable anymore because there's more people that don't want the stock than there is that do. That's the only reason we get price movement on a stock. Think about it. There's no fictitious thing in the sky that says Amazon should be $95.91 right now, right?